In this video we're going to be unboxing and solving the cast padlock puzzle by Hanayama. This is a level 5 out of 6 puzzle. As a lot of the puzzles, this is a disassemble and an assemble puzzle, meaning you have to take it apart and then put it back together again. You can see the puzzle, how it's supposed to look when it's assembled, which is how it will be out the box, and also how it looks when it's disassembled, i.e. solved. So let's crack open the box and see what we get inside. So as with all of these puzzles, you get the difficulty rating chart. As I said earlier, this is a 5 out of 6, which means it's an expert level puzzle. It also gives you the range of the Hanayama puzzles, and you get your individual instructions for the cast padlock puzzle. Let's open this up and take a look at the puzzle. So this is the cast padlock puzzle by Hanayama. It's got an engraving over here with a padlock and also a key, what looks like a keyhole engraving also, and we've got the Hanayama logo on there. In regards to weight, it's made of cast metal, as the whole range of Hanayama cast puzzles are. It's not as heavy as some of the other puzzles. When we look at the cast marble puzzle and the cast square puzzle, they're relatively quite heavy puzzles. This one is much lighter and it's quite small as well, which, if you go back and have a look at some of my other videos, depending on the size of the puzzle, can actually mean it's much more harder to solve because the pieces are so intricate and fiddly. So let's start the clock. And we're doing an initial kind of feel round of the puzzle. Straight away there's a lot of movement, some gaps are starting to appear as I'm just moving my hands around this. You can see right over here, there is a lot of twisting on this part, which looks like a padlock. But it also looks like these pieces here also have movement as well. Now some of these puzzles can be weighted, so I always like to do an initial kind of feel. That's locked now, whatever I've done there. There's locked that. So we've got something apart over here, which is good. So that is now moving around. Okay, so these grey parts also, these parts here also come out. So I'm just wondering whether there's a certain way you can twist. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know what just happened there, but that comes in here. So now I think we might need to turn one of the inner parts. Okay, that seems to release. Ah, okay. What's happened there? More movement or less movement each time I move this round. Definitely feels like it's not far away from coming open. Oh, that was interesting as well. What happened there? Okay, so now we've actually got a bit of gap here as well appearing at the top. I'm pressing that piece up. Okay, so we've now, by fiddling around with it, moving pieces around, managed to get this piece to pop out. Oh, we've definitely got something there. Something happened there. Yes! And there it is. Whew. Okay, that was an extremely difficult puzzle. Well, that was the Hanayama cast padlock puzzle, level 5 out of 6. So let's take a look at the clock. So just under 59 minutes to solve that puzzle. I highly recommend it, guys. You can buy it via the Amazon link in the description below. If you'd like to see how I reset this puzzle for the next solve, make sure you check out my next video. But as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.